What's up guys? If you have this problem on your Rave, in this video I will give you the easiest solution for you for this problem on your Rave. So let's do it. Open your settings of your device. You will see this list. Click at apps. You will see right now all the apps that you have on your phone. Search for Rave. Click on Rave like this. You will see now this list. Go to storage, click just clear cache and back, click on for stop, click OK then. So right now you have to go to battery, make it on optimized mode, and after that go turn on your airplane mode, turn off it then. After these steps, restart your device and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.